Hey guys, I am detecting this house. It's the Third Connecting 100 here, and there's a vacant lot next to it. It's going to be built on. Has some nice trees aren't huge, but they're old. And second signal came out of interest is it looks like I can see a seam there, so it might be some sort of perfume and lipstick container. But kind of interesting. And my last find was pretty cool. The first good signal. Get my pouch here for you. This little guy. Nice truck. I don't know if it's Tootsie Toy or whatnot, but the wheels are an older style. So it's definitely an older piece, but yeah, I was very happy with that. So let's hope there's some more relics and maybe some coins. Alright, got the first wheat penny. Judging by the patina, has a little red in it. It's probably 40s or 50s. The front is really crusty, so I can't get a date. But alright, first little coin. Let's keep at it. Alright, we got car number 2. This is a tiny little fella. Ring up pretty low in the mid 50s. But the depth was alright, so I gave it a shot, and there's a little car. Alright, I'll have to check this out when I get home, see what kind it is. Alright guys, looks like weed number 3. Nice thick and green, so it could be an older one. That's 3 wheat so far. But no silver, so still on the hunt. Alright. Alright guys, it's got some sort of token here. You can see it says Packard, I see a car. 1915 underneath it. I think it's aluminum. It's a little hard to clean up, but I should be able to get some detail out of it at home. Oh, pretty cool. I think I got a second signal over here, so I might have 2 of these. Let's go and see. Okay, got this cool little piece of jewelry of some sorts. I think it's copper, but it's got a little tag and almost like a scroll front and plain back. Pretty cool. Alright guys, I just popped this out. Ringing 89.90. It is my first Walking Liberty $50. Holy cow. I did not expect that at all. I'm at a cellar hole over there at a little campsite. And that was not planned. Wow, that was only like 2 inches deep here. So awesome. My first one. Sweet. Alright guys, I'm at the cellar hole I've dug for bottles at when I was a kid. And sometime between when I dug there for bottles and now, people have detected it. But coming back is a lot of trash. And this was a very solid 85. And we're gonna see what it is. Let's see, I don't see anything offhand. It's right down there. Oh, there it is. Something big. Oh, it's full of ants too. Lovely. Oh, it's a hubcap. Probably a Ford hubcap. Some ants out there. Don't want to bring any ants home. A little crunched, but that's like 85, and if they left that there, they most certainly did miss some stuff. I think that's my second hubcap today, so okay. Very nice, let's go find some more. Alright guys, I am in shock right here. Look what just came out. That's right, it's a US, it's got a US belt plate. It was ringing up like 75, 80, a little jumpy. But oh my gosh. What are the odds of that? That is amazing. Wow. Alright, well, I'm glad I decided to stick it out through all this iron. I've been finding so much garbage. That is one of my best finds detecting ever. Awesome. Alright guys, I finally did it. I was hoping, I just wanted one coin. And look at this beauty. I can already tell it's a King George, not sure which age, but it's a farthing. Not a halfpenny, one of the smaller ones. Oh man, that is so welcome, and it sounded terrible. So I'm glad I dug it. But you can definitely see the, let's see if I can focus on here. Britannia on the back. So, alright. And that's a lot older than I thought the site would be, so very interesting. Okay. That makes the day. Well, the US plate and this make the day. Awesome.